Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be making for you some meatless red pea soup. Now this is my version. I'm going to be adding in some corn, sweet potato, Irish potato, yellow yam, some carrots, all my vegetables. I'm also going to be using some cornmeal dumpling now to try and make it authentic as possible. So before I even start making, I want to shout out to these two persons who always be the first to comment, Galaxy50 and Desiree Leslie. Guys, you can follow her. I think she's some fitness person on YouTube, right? Alright, so let's get started. Bring to boil 8 cups of water. We're going to add our salt, and you can add in your peas. Now I've been soaking my peas overnight, so this will allow it to cook a little faster, right? I've been soaking it with garlic and thyme. So we're just going to cover it and wait on that to cook. Okay guys, so the peas is halfway cooked, so we're going to add the corn and also the thyme and pepper. I've added a little piece of ginger, and I'm also going to be adding the scallion. I like to chop some because I do like it cook out in the soup. And can't forget the garlic. Soup can be soup without dumplings, so I'm going to be adding some dumplings. And this is the only way I eat dumpling, like I don't like it otherwise. And to make your dumpling, and you can make some spinners. Now guys, don't forget to check your pot. If it needs more salt, you can add it at this time, alright? Don't worry about the water will reduce after a while, alright? And do remember to give this video a thumbs up guys, share it, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram, Jamrock Vegan, right? So our soup has not even reached where we want it to reach yet. So we're just gonna allow it to come down a little bit more. Alright guys, you can see our soup is coming together pretty well. Don't forget that soup is a one-pot meal and it is very nutritious and easy to prepare, right? So what we're going to do now is to remove the scallion. All of these, you're going to remove them. Alright, so at this time you can go ahead and add your vegetable soup mix. This is just to give the soup some more body, right? And you know I will always put the ingredients in the description box. There you have it guys, a nice pot of red pea soup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.